In daily use, we will encounter we need to replace the to-front guide wheels. At this point, replacing the guide wheel is very simple. Insert the guide wheel into the saddle with the leakage facing downwards and push it all the way to the bottom. Both have the leak facing downwards. Install the guide wheel from right to left. After the reinstallation of the guide wheel is completed, we need to calibrate the 4 dots and 1 line of 1234. At this moment, we need to remove the faucet from the water plate first, then find a 90-degree vertical block placed on the crossbeam. Then at this point, we need to adjust its U and V axis. Correct it with this vertical block. After completing the previous step, we need to install a faucet on the upper or lower water plate. At this point, we can no longer move the UV axis. We need to move this water board to correct its verticality. Next, let's look at the U-axis direction. Now the U-axis direction is clearly sliding downwards more. At this point, we need to find something. Gently tap the left side of the water plate. Move it to the right. At the same time, we pull the machine tool outwards. Not enough. Continue to the right. The U-axis direction is roughly the same. At this point, we first switch to the V-axis. Check the verticality of the V-axis. Now, the V-axis has more sparks on it. Then we need to move the water plate backwards. Repeat the same operation until both sides are perfectly perpendicular. Above is the water nozzle calibration. After calibration, now we install the lower water nozzle. It's the same. We are not adjusting via UV. We need to adjust its left and right by moving the front and back water plates and the 4 tightening screws on its side. Okay, let's first look at its V-axis direction. Now the bottom is sliding more. That means we need to move this water plate backwards as a whole. Find something and gently tap the water plate. At this time, the V-axis direction is probably corrected. Now let's switch to the U-axis. For the U-axis, we need to adjust the 4 tightening screws on its side. Now there are more sparks below. That means the molybdenum wire is offset to the right. Then we need tighten the right side tightening screw. Simultaneously, move the machine tool to the right. Now let's switch back to the U-axis. Check the V-axis. Repeat these 2 operations until the drain nozzle alignment is complete. After we have tightened the screws, recheck its verticality. The sparks are even. Change the direction. Okay, the sparks are also even in this direction. That's it. We've replaced the guide rollers. Recalibrate. The 4-point alignment operation is now complete.